Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench, while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style doing him in this Burberry trench.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a video for you guys. Watch me slay and install this hair. Let me know what y'all think about this hair. And if you guys are interested in watching this install, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys basically, this is going to be like a watch me slay this wig type of tutorial. And the hair that I'm actually wearing is a custom unit that I made, and this is hair from Vanlov or Vanlov, however it's pronounced. But this is their water curly hair. Like this hair is like super curly. I thought it was gonna be like a water wave type of thing, but it's not. And I didn't record myself doing this to the tips, but if you guys want, I do plan on doing this style again. So if you do want me to, I will do it again. But basically, this is I just took out a piece. I pulled out a piece from the front, and I put some bleach on it, and I let it sit for about 20 minutes. I used 40 developer. I wanted to get to the lightest stage that it could off of one bleach, and this is what I got. And then after that, I just put some shimmer lights on it, and I let that sit for like 5 minutes, and then I washed it out. So this is what I got. This wig is made glued. I usually sew it on because I haven't been really in the mood to sew anything, so unless it's my client's hair. So I just glue this on for myself. I am being a tad bit lazy, so I'm going to do a middle part. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the lace, and I'm going to cut off the lace using my razor. Alright, so I'm only putting on one coat of this lace glue just because I'm not going to be keeping this hair in for too long. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my first coat. And my cap is like sliding back like crazy. I don't know what I did different, if I didn't spray it enough. So now that it's dry, like I'm kind of starting to feel it a little bit more, and it's alright. I'm gonna do some baby hairs, not too many, but just a couple. Like the hair is like, I really did like bald it, like like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm now going to take some of my BioSilk and I'm just going to rub it on the front of my hair, like the front pieces and up here, just to give it a shine and a more silky look, because you know when you bleach hair it kind of dries out the hair. I'm going to go really quick and I'm just going to wet the frontal out and tease it out and get it to my lickings, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys the final results. Alright, so I went ahead and wet it a little bit, and this is what the final results look like. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my BTZ Beyond the Zone Noodle Head, and this is really good for curling. It's like a hair mousse, but I have like little to none left. Let me go find my other one. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this Garnier Curl Shape Defining. It's a spray gel, so it's kind of thick, and I'm just gonna put that over here. Like I'm gonna run it through like this in my hair, and run it through like that on this side as well. And then I'm gonna put some of it in the hair. So if you guys are wondering about the hair, this is once again water weight, and I'm wearing a 28, 228s, a 24, or a 228, a 28 and a half, to 28 and a half, and then 26 and 24. So yeah, I'm just doing this to define the curls more. I haven't wet the curls or nothing like that. I like how they are. They're not really they have like a wet look to them already. That's why I don't really want to do much to them. So this is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was helpful for you, and I hope you like this hair and this install. Be sure to check out Vanlov Hair Company. I'll have all their links in their information tab below, and where you can purchase this hair. Let me know what you guys think on this. Let me know if you guys want to see an actual tutorial on me doing this little whole bleaching thing, because I plan to do that to like a whole entire wig and do like a highlight type of thing. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and that's all. Wait, my brush strap shows. That's all. Oh, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, and also follow me